Today I'm going to do an unboxing video on a compact mini air horn. It says Nautilus. It's by Stebel. Stebel. Part number is 116900019. Bought it from a motorcycle. We're going to open it up, see how Amazon packaged it, see whether it came in good shape, see what it looks like. We're going to test it out, and then we're going to install it on a motorcycle. Okay, here's the boxes that came in. The first thing I noticed is I can feel it wobbling around in here. So obviously not a lot of packing around it. So hopefully it got here all in one piece. Let's open it up, see what she looks like. I'm going to say little to no packing at all. And yes, I've got the pieces floating loosely in the box. The box is popped open. It's either been opened before or it is just been bounced around. And inside I have one deflated air bubble and two little air bubbles to go around the outside edge. I want to go over with you first of all the pieces and parts that came with this. And we're going to do a table mock-up so we know what's going to go with it, if we need any extra pieces, and then we're going to fit it on the bike. First thing I did notice is when it came in the package, it came with this little floppy piece of instructions. These instructions look really confusing, really hard to read. Looks like there's 3 or 4 different ways of mounting it and wiring it, which is going to be confusing. So I'm going to go over it. We're going to try to find the best way of doing it. First part we have is, of course, the compressors over here. The air horn itself is right here. It's got a little blow-off valve on the side of it here. One of the direction pieces show it having like a fresh air hose coming off of here, but it did not come with the hose. It came with a little piece of felt, which is probably to keep it from vibrating or scratching something. It came with a relay module, bolt, a nut, and a random piece of plastic that's not cut very well. So let's go over and try to figure out where everything goes, and then we're going to try to mount it up. Obviously this bolt goes in right here. There's a flat groove in the back to catch it. Nut's going to go in the front of it, and my guess is that's so you can mount it somewhere upright, because it does show it going upright or in an upright position on the motorcycle somewhere. That'll keep the water and stuff off of your connections, which are on the bottom of it here. Looks like we've got a positive and negative. Ground is probably going to go somewhere onto the chassis. We're going to ground it out. The relay module, if you're looking at the relay with a flat module, this one's going to come from your battery. This is going to be your positive from the battery. This is going to be your horn, positive and negative on the left and right side. And then this is going to be the horn output. So basically we're going to take the old horn wires, we're going to take the positive here, the negative here, positive out here. So when you push the button, the power comes out of this, and since the horn is going to be grounded somewhere else, it won't matter. And again, this is going to be the relay, so it powers up the compressor. I did figure out the piece that goes up in here for the air. You can run a fresh air line because it sucks in the air through here. The little piece of plastic or hose that came with it with the little gasket is actually a filter. If you want to run this up under the motorcycle where it would be dry all the time, you can do that. If you've got to put this somewhere where you're going to get water or moisture in it, you may want to hook the hose up to it and run it up under the seat so it sucks fresh air in. You're not sucking water into this. I'm most likely going to mount this up under my fairing. It is so loud, it's not going to matter whether it's on the outside of the motorcycle, side of the motorcycle. No matter where you put this on the motorcycle, you're going to hear it. So if I do mount it up under my fairing, I'm going to be completely dry. My compressor should last for years. If you put this down low, again, you don't want water sucking up through your compressor hole. So those are your pieces and parts. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Check on my videos later on today. I'll have a listing of this going on a Kawasaki Vulcan VN 1700. Please like the video and subscribe.